Good morning, students. Today we'll do some numericals of the chapter electricity. Today we chose three topics: quantization of charge, Ohm's law, and specific resistance. Now we'll do some numericals on the basis of these three. First one, numericals on the basis of Ohm's law. See the first question. If 0.6 ampere current flows through a resistor and potential difference across it is 12 volt, then calculate the resistance. Before starting the numerical, you have to write down the informations, that is the data given in the question. Say 0.6 ampere current. So current I is equal to 0.6 ampere flows through a resistor and potential difference across it is 12 volt. So potential difference is given. So potential difference V is equal to 12 volt. Now by Ohm's law we get V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Now R is equal to V by I. So in the place of V you write the value of V, that is 12, by value of current 0.6 ampere, calculate it and you get the result R equal to 20 ohm. So resistance of the conductor is 20 ohm. This is your first question. Now second one, resistance of an electric iron is 50 ohm. 4.2 ampere current flows through the resistor. Find voltage between the points. Again, I told you, first write down the data or informations given in the question. Here, resistance is given, it is 50 ohm. So, R is equal to 50 ohm. 4.2 ampere current is passed. So, current I is equal to 4.2 ampere. You have to find out the voltage, means potential difference. Again, we are using the formula V equal to IR by Ohm's law. So V is equal to I. In the place of I, you write 4.2 into, in the place of R, you write 50. So 4.2 into 50, it is 210 volts. This is the voltage across between the points. So these two numericals are on the basis of Ohm's law. Now, one numerical is given on the basis of quantization of charge. See, question is, calculate number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Here, charge Q is equal to 1 coulomb. It is given. You have to calculate the number of electrons, and we know that charge of 1 electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So E is the charge of 1 electron. Now by using the formula Q equal to Ne, you have to find out the number of electrons, that is N. So Q is equal to 1 is equal to N into E. Value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So N equal to 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now 10 to the power minus 19 comes up. So N equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. 1 by 1.6, that is 0.625 into 10 to the power 19. Make it in standard form. So N equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. So number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Now, third topic is specific resistance. Question is based on the specific resistance. Here is your question. Calculate specific resistance of a wire of length 1 meter and radius 7 meter if its resistance is 10 ohm. So what informations are given? Length of the wire, that is L is given. Here L is 1 meter. Radius of the wire 7 meter. Radius 7 meter. Say cross section area A is equal to pi r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square. R is 7. 7 into 7. It is 154 meter square. Radius is given 10 ohm. Now using the formula R equal to rho L by A, we get rho L equal to RA, rho equal to RA by L. Now put the value of R, it is 10, value of A 154, value of length, that is 1. The result is 1540 ohm meter. That is the specific resistance of the wire given. So these are the numericals based on the 3 topics: Ohm's law, quantization of charge, and specific resistance.